Load factor is the measure of stress or load on the helicopter structure compared to its normal weight. It's usually expressed in the form of G's or gravitational forces. For example, a load of factor of 2 G's means the helicopter feels twice as heavy as its normal weight. In straight and level flight, the load factor is 1G, meaning the helicopter's rotor system is supporting exactly the helicopter's weight. Everything is balanced and there's no extra stress on the airframe. In gentle turns with small bank angles, the load factor increases slightly but not by much, maybe up to 1.1 or 1.2 Gs. But as you increase the bank angle, the load factor rises significantly. At 60-degree bank, the load factor doubles to 2 Gs. This means the helicopter's structural and rotor systems are under twice the normal load. As load factor increases, you need to increase lift by raising the collective, and the helicopter might require more power to maintain altitude. In a steady climb, if done without steep angles, the load factor can remain close to 1G. During a pull-up to initiate a climb, the load factor can briefly increase. In a steady descent, load factors can drop below 1G, especially if the descent is rapid, making the helicopter feel lighter. But in a sharp descent or dive recovery, the load factor can increase temporarily. Flying through turbulence can cause sudden, unpredictable changes in load factor as the helicopter is tossed around by gusts of wind. Load factor can spike momentarily, adding stress to the rotor system and airframes. Aggressive maneuvers like quick stops or sudden pull-ups can create a very high load factor, sometimes exceeding 3 Gs. That puts a significant stress on the helicopter and requires careful handling to avoid overstressing the aircraft. Some key takeaways. Load factor increases with the steepness of the turn and aggressive maneuvers. The helicopter's performance and the pilot's control inputs need to be adjusted accordingly to maintain safe flight. Managing load factors is all about balancing the helicopter's flight conditions with its capabilities, ensuring a safe and smooth operation. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about helicopters, I have a free getting started course down below. I also have a course on how to pay for flight school, and my main course is literally teaching people how to get their private license. I'd love to help you out. We'll see you in the next video.